Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. My dear students, let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Time flies over us, but leaves its shadow behind. Chapter 9. Time. Learning objectives for chapter number 9. Reading time. How long is a minute? Days of the week. Content for fair book. Read the clock and write time. Write name of days of the week. Fill in the blanks. Match the following. Reading time. The shorthand of the clock is the hour hand. The long hand is the minute hand. The clock has numbers from 1 to 12 on its face. The hour hand moves from one number to the next in 1 hour. The minute hand goes all around the clock in the same time. When the minute hand points to 12, the hour hand tells us what time it is. Minute hand at 12. Hour hand at 8, which means the time is 8 o'clock or 8. We always write the time using 2 dots. Look at here. How should we write the time? Minute hand at 12. Hour hand at 12. So, the time is 12 o'clock or 12. See the clock and write the time. Look at this clock. The short hand is at 2, long hand is at 12. The time is 2 o'clock. The short hand is at 4. Long hand is at 12. The time is 4 o'clock. The short hand is at 9. Long hand is at 12, which means it is 9 o'clock. The shorthand is at 1, longhand is at 12, which means it's 1 o'clock. The shorthand is at 5, longhand is at 12, which means it is 5 o'clock. The shorthand and longhand both are at 12. The time is 12 o'clock. Days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Monday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the last day of the week. Fill in the blanks in order. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Fill in the blanks. The shorthand of the clock is the hour hand. The dash hand is a minute hand. The answer is long. The long hand is minute hand. The clock has numbers dash on its face. The options are 1 to 10 or 1 to 12. Answer is 1 to 12. The clock has numbers 1 to 12 on its face. There are dash days in a week. 7 or 8. Answer is 7. There are 7 days in a week. Dash is the first day of the week. Monday or Tuesday. Answer is Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the dash day of the week, first or last. Answer is last. Sunday is the last day of the week. Now, we are going to solve the exercise from chapter checkup. Read the clock and write the time. Everyone, first draw the clock. Write numbers 1 to 12 on its face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now see, where is the shorthand? The shorthand is at 7. The long hand is at 12. What time? What is the meaning of that? What time it is? It is 7 o'clock. Write down in your notebook 7 o'clock. Let's draw another clock. It is not necessary that you have to draw it in the circle shape only. You can draw the clock in square shape also. Write numbers 1 to 12 on the face of clock. Now let's draw the hands. Draw the short hand on number 9. Long hand at number 12. Now think in your mind, if the short hand is at 9 and long hand is at 12, what time it is? It is 9 o'clock. Everybody write the time below that clock. It's 9 o'clock. Write the instruction, everyone. Draw the hands of the clock to show the time. Now, first of all, we have to draw the clock, and then as per given time we have to draw the hands in that clock. Get ready with bangle or scale to draw the clock. Now everyone draw the clock. Draw it in a circle shape or square shape. Write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 on the face of clock. Make sure that you have to leave some place between two numbers. As you can see that we have the time 5 o'clock. As per given time we have to draw the hands in this clock. First, draw the long hand at 12. The long hand, the short hand at 5. Everyone draw the hands properly. As the time is 5 o'clock, short hand at 5, long hand at 12. Done, everyone? Draw the next clock. Write the numbers 1 to 12 on the face of clock. Write given time 3 o'clock. 3 2 dot 0 0. Now think in your mind, if the time is 3 o'clock, where should we draw the hands? Who writes first? First, draw the long hand at 12. The short hand at 3. This is the way we can draw the hands on the clock. If the time is 3 o'clock, then draw the short hand at 3, when long hand at 12. Again draw the clock. Draw it in a circle shape or square shape. Write given numbers. How many numbers we have to write on the clock? 1 to 12. Write down the numbers properly. The time is 10 o'clock. 1 0 10. 2 dot 0 0. As our given time is 10, first let's draw the long hand or minute hand at 12. The short hand at 10. The short hand is at 10, long hand is at 12. The time is 10 or 10 o'clock. Now see, you can see two types of clocks on your screen. Have you seen watches with number like this? Look at here, my dear students. This watch is having the numbers on it. 7, 2 dots, 0 0. If you can see here, on the face of clock, there are numbers 1 to 12. The short hand is at 7, long hand is 12. The time is 7. What does it mean by? These both watches are same. Both these watches show the same time. This watch is called digital watch. Match the watches and then color them with the same color. On this side we are having digital clocks, when on the other side we are having our regular watches. So we have to match the times as they both are having same times. First of all, draw the digital watch. Write the number 11, 2 dots, 0 0. Then 3, 2 dot, 0 0. Which means it is 3 o'clock. Next, draw the digital watch. Write the time. 8, 2 dots, 0 0. 1, 2 dots, 0, 0. Draw the next digital clock. Write number 4, 2 dots and 0, 0. On this side we are having the clocks which shows the same time. Look at here. The shorthand is at 3, longhand is at 12, which means it is 3 o'clock. In this clock, the shorthand is at 1 when the longhand is at 12, which means it is 1 o'clock. Here we can see that the shorthand is at 11, longhand is at 12, which means the time is 11 o'clock. If you see, the shorthand is at 4, longhand is at 12, which means it is 4 o'clock. Here, the shorthand is at 8, one longhand is at 12, which means the time is 8 o'clock. We already got the answer for the first. 11 will match with 11 o'clock. 3 will match with 3 o'clock. 8 will match with 8 o'clock. 1 will match with 1 o'clock. 4 will match with this 4 o'clock. Now everyone get ready to read and write table of 7. Write the heading everyone, table of 7. Seven ones are 7. Seven twos are 14. Seven threes are 21. Seven fours are 28. Seven fives are 35. Seven sixes are 42. Seven sevens are 49. Seven eights are 56. Seven nines are 63. Seven tens are 70. So, you all have completed. Write table of 7 properly in your book. While writing the tables, make sure that you have to leave one line after completing one, as well as you have to write the numbers properly. As you all are using square line books, so write the numbers on its proper place. Now everyone, write the heading table of 8. Eight ones are 8. Eight twos are 16. 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. So I hope you all have completed. Again, I want to repeat that whenever you are going to write the tables, you have to leave one line after completing one. My dear students, today we have completed all the exercises from chapter number 9, time. You already got the PDF of Fair Book notes. So complete your Fair Book with a very good handwriting by your own. Draw the clocks as per your choice, either in circle shape or in square shape. But keep one thing in your mind, that you have to write the numbers properly. I hope you all understand the chapter well, and as well as you all have memorized tables till table number 8. So my dear students, at your home everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.